Hello friends, welcome to my channel Economica. I Dr. Gopal B. Saraswat welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the different types of research in the business research methods. So let's start the video. Business research are different types. For example, the business research is divided into basic research and applied research. Then the basic and applied research is further divided into exploratory research and conclusive research. Conclusive research is divided into descriptive research and causal research. So each type of a research is have a different characteristics, and it is required for a researcher to understand these different types. Then only you are able to know how to conduct a research, because it is very much required that the type of research you undertake here is going to help you out during the research design. There are two basic research types, as we just know, the basic research and applied research. The basic research is a research which attempts to expand the limit of knowledge. It not directly involved in the solution to a pragmatic problem, but here you are looking to know more about a phenomenon. Your thirst of knowing more lets you to start a basic research. For example, a study looking at how alcohol consumption impacts the brain is a type of basic research. A study looking to see if gender stereotypes leads to depression is also a type of basic research. A study assessing whether stress level make people more aggressive is also a type of basic research example. So these basic research have a main objective of gaining more insights of the knowledge, and the main focus of the researcher is always to add the knowledge in the existing base he already developed. The Aristotle said, and I quote, "The secret of success is to know something nobody else knows." So this means that a researcher has to be successful only when he knows something that nobody else knows. Applied research. Applied research is conducted when a decision must be made about a specific real life problem. So when you are dealing with a situation or a problem where you require to find out a solution, or you require to assess the situation in real life, you are going to conduct applied research. Applied research, for example, a study to find ways to make car tires last longer. This is applied research, because in business, especially the companies, those are in tire manufacturing, they want their tires to be durable. Further, another example, a study to find what marketing strategies to use on college campuses. So this may help out to the business world, especially the FMCG companies. They are looking to sell their products to the college campuses. Further, a study on how to improve illiteracy in teenagers. This is also a type of applied research example. And finally, a study looking for ways to market products for millennials. So these are the different examples of applied research where you are trying to find either a solution or you are researching upon a real life issue. So this is applied research examples. Next one is exploratory and conclusive researches. Most of the time the researchers get confused about what is exploratory research and what is conclusive research. Exploratory research allows the researchers to gain a better understanding of a concept and provides direction in order to initiate more structured research. So, exploratory research from its nature is need not to be structured, but it provides a foundation for structured research in future. For example, a study into the implication of COVID-19 pandemic into the global economy is a study considered under the exploratory research where you are exploring what are the implications this pandemic caused to the global economy, because currently we are still in pandemic situation. So what is going to happen to the world economy or the global economy in over a period of time in long run, that is still undecided, and people are economists are exploring. On the other hand, conclusive research tests and authenticates the propositions revealed by exploratory research, and it is usually quantitative in nature. Here we are trying to conclude something, and we use quantitative data to test and logically prove what exploratory research proposed as a theory. For example, to obtain such information, we download and we use a secondary data and sometimes as a primary data like survey, and we generally try to come upon a results. For example, we want to know what is the relationship between income and consumption. Exploratory research provided a different consumption based theories, but the conclusive research uses a particular country data of income and consumption and looking to test whether the theory in real life prevails or not. So, this is a conclusive research. Further, the exploratory research is loosely structured because of its nature. On the other hand, conclusive research is well structured and systematic in its design. Exploratory research is flexible and investigative in methodology. But on the other hand, conclusive research has a formal and definitive if methodology that needs to be followed and tested. So a formal setting is available in case of conclusive research. Exploratory research does not involve testing of hypotheses because we don't have certain kinds of assumptions. But in conclusive research, it is generally based upon certain hypotheses which researcher assumes. Exploratory research findings might be topic specific and might be not be relevant outside the research domain. But the findings of a conclusive research are very much significant because they are theoretically applied in other settings. Next, the descriptive research versus causal research. The descriptive research aims at elucidating the data and primary characteristics about the object, situation, concept under the study. So it is trying to describing a phenomena or construct. For example, the study on the characteristics of customers who buy normal petrol and those who buy premium petrol. This is a study where you are trying to characterize and describing a phenomena why a set of consumers or set of customers they are willing to buy a normal petrol and others they are looking to buy premium petrol. On the other hand, the causal research is concerned with exploring the effect of one variable on another. It requires a rigid sequential approach to sampling data collection and data analysis. For example, a study on the impact of flexible work policies on turnover intention in organization. So this is all from my side. I hope you like my video. Please comment what do you think about the descriptive research and causal research, especially in the settings of COVID-19. But there are many researches, they seems to be descriptive when you look at from a one aspect, and this seems to be causal when you look at another aspect. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.